So let's talk about how you can fix no sound on your iPhone. There might be multiple different ways the sound could be triggered or different areas where the sounds can be managed. So let's get into it. First of all, if you have the silent switch on the side, naturally just make sure it's switched up. It's for ringers and alerts, so I don't know what sound you're lacking, but make sure you have that. And if you have a newer iPhone with the action button, just hold down on it, switch to the loud mode, or you can also use the control center to just switch in between the silent and non-silent mode. So that's the first thing. Ensure that the buttons work for the volume up. Make sure you raise the volume, and you should also know that there are two types of volume. You have the content volume, which can be managed inside of the control center. There's the slider for the volume, which you can raise up and down, but this is for whatever you are consuming. But on the other hand, there is another volume slider for alerts and ringer, which can be found inside of the settings and then inside of the sounds and haptics section, where you can essentially just raise it up and lower it down depending on what you wish. But this is for notifications, incoming phone calls, and stuff like this. Also, one very common thing is that you're gonna notice that the sound is working fine in terms of the speakers of your device, but you just might be unknowingly connected to a different Bluetooth device. It might be headphones laying on a table or some kind of HomePod, Bluetooth speaker, whatever it might be. You're gonna notice that you're just connected to that device instead of using your own speaker. So instead, just choose for the audio playback the output of your phone, or you can also just see that when you control the the sounds in the control center, you see that you have something else connected. So just pay attention to that, and that's essentially all that you can do. Besides that, the basic stuff of restarting the iPhone or updating to the latest iOS is always a good idea. But that's gonna be about it from me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the next video.